Hello, today I'm going to show you how to complete your guiding question reflection graphic organizer that you'll be completing in your Nearpod. So right here we're looking for details from a text. How do their bodies help them survive? What behaviors did they use to help them survive? So thinking back on this unit of all the animals that we've talked about, what is one defense mechanism that you can think about that comes to mind? One that I'm thinking of right now is this. And I found this information from one of my texts. Notice right here it says details from text. I'm not coming up with this information on my own. I'm pulling it from the text. So it's in quotation marks. Many animals mimic other creatures to turn off predators. Okay? And I'm not done yet. I got this quote, but I need to say where I got this quote from. So then I'm going to mention text right here. And our text is italicized, so I'm going to put award winning survival skills, how animals elude predators. Okay, so that was one defense mechanism mentioned right here. Here's a detail from a text I got it from. But remember, we are not summarizing this text. We are synthesizing. So this idea right here, I need to find where this idea is found in another text that we read. So go ahead and look through your text. Find where else does another text talk about how animals mimic other creatures or predators. So I'm going to put right here, and I'm going to put my quote. I found one. And I'm going to put the hoverfly gains protection from predators by looking like a bee, because that's mimicking another creature. And now I need to put where I got that from, because remember, it's a quote. So italicize it. And I got this one from a different text. Make sure it's from a different text. So this one I found from Animal Behavior, Animal Defenses. Page 90, 91. Okay, so here's one animal defense mechanism. This is the same animal defense mechanism explanation, and they're from two different texts. But now I want to make an inference based off of these pieces of information. What can I infer? What can I conclude about this defense mechanism? Okay, so I want you to use the sentence starter. I can infer some animals trick other animals by looking like more dangerous or poisonous animals. Enemies know to stay away. Okay, so what I did right now, you are going to do for the rest of the Nearpod. Okay, pick an animal defense mechanism. That's the first step. Find a quote that supports it. Put it here. You're not putting anything in your own words. The only thing you put in your own words is your inference. Find a quote that describes an animal defense mechanism. Put the name of the text you got it from. Find a quote from a different text that also talks about the same animal defense mechanism. Put the name of that different text, because we're synthesizing. And then tell me what both of these quotes infer. What does this prove? What does this mean? Okay, guys, I hope this helped you to better understand how to fill out your graphic organizer. Make sure that you get quotes from different text.